In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print using Canva in just a few simple steps. Canva is a powerful tool for creating stunning visuals, whether for personal projects, professional presentations, or creative pursuits. Once you've designed something you're proud of, you might want to see it in print. So let's walk through how you can easily print your Canva designs directly from your computer. First, once you have completed your design and you're ready to share your masterpiece, you'll need to locate the Share button. This button is typically found in the top right corner of the Canva interface. By clicking on it, you'll access a variety of options that allow you to share your design digitally or prepare it for printing. After hitting share, the next step is pretty straightforward. You should click on the download option. At this point, you have a variety of file types to choose from depending on your needs. For the best print quality, I recommend selecting PDF print, which is optimized for high resolution prints. Now here's an important tip. After selecting PDF print or your desired file type, click on the download button again. This second confirmation ensures that Canva understands you're ready to save your design to your local device, preparing it for the next phase of printing. Once the download is complete, you'll see the downloaded file appear at the top of your browser. It's typically in the downloads bar depending on the browser you're using. By clicking on this file directly, you allow it to open in a PDF viewer or another compatible application. With your design now open on your screen, you're almost ready to print. Look carefully at the top right corner of your PDF viewer window. You should see a printer icon, usually alongside other options like saving or sharing. Clicking this icon is your cue to open the printing dialog. In the printing dialog box, you can select your printer, adjust your print settings, and choose how many copies you'd like to print. This is the moment to double check that everything looks good, ensuring your design fits well on the page and the colors appear as you intend. After confirming your settings, go ahead and hit print. And there you have it, your Canva design will roll off the printer, ready to be displayed or shared in real life. Remember, the key to a successful print is choosing the appropriate file format and confirming that your settings match your desired outcome. Now you can enjoy your printed designs, whether it's a flyer for an event, a poster for your home, or any creative project you've crafted in Canva. Thanks for following along, and happy printing!